What's going on, fellas? Got a 2002 Ford Escape. I'm going to use it to point out to you the location of the fuel pump relay as well as the fuel pump fuse. Now the fuel pump relay is going to be this one right here. You can try tapping on it to see if it'll unstick, or you can swap it with the relay that's right next to it. I believe this is for the cooling fan. There's also a 20 amp fuse located right here, and that is going to be your fuel pump fuse. So be sure to check that out. And if you find that it's blown, and if your car is equipped with fog lights, you can swap it with the fog light fuse, which is right there. As far as the fuel pump itself, if you want to get at it to replace it or test it, get the rear seat out of the way, and there's a little access panel right here you pull up. There's going to be 4 Phillips head screws that you remove, 1 at each corner there. When you pull this up, it's going to expose the wiring. You can disconnect the wiring there, and there's your feed and return line. And to disconnect these, you kind of push the line in, squeeze the 2 little plastic tabs together, and it comes out like so. And once you have both of the lines disconnected, you can use like a flathead screwdriver, put it right there, and hammer on it. This blue piece, the collar, that actually unscrews. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions.